Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your trusted source for deep dives into the latest camera, tech, and innovation shaping content creation today. In this breakdown, we're zooming into the next evolution of Fujifilm's celebrated mirrorless lineup, the Fujifilm X-T6. Whether you're a filmmaker, hybrid shooter, or photography enthusiast, the X-T6 delivers fresh enhancements in sensor architecture, AI-powered autofocus, cinematic video specs, and ergonomic refinement, making it one of the most anticipated APS-C releases on the horizon. A retro body refined for the modern creator, the Fujifilm X-T6 maintains the line's signature vintage design language, combining tactile dials and a minimalist layout with contemporary engineering. The body features a robust magnesium alloy frame with improved grip contours, especially helpful when shooting handheld with longer lenses. It's slimmer than the X-T5, but sacrifices none of its durability. Full weather resistance is still here, offering protection against dust, splashes, and freezing conditions, ideal for documentary field work or landscape shooters who battle the elements. Advanced sensor architecture, same resolution, stacked performance. While the X-T6 retains the 40-point to MPX strand CMOS resolution, it's now built on a stacked sensor structure, drastically increasing data throughput. This design minimizes rolling shutter and enables faster buffer clearing, smoother burst capture, and high-speed video processing. With the paired next-gen processor, users can expect enhanced image fidelity, faster autofocus calculations, and better thermal handling during prolonged use. Fujifilm is also expanding its renowned film simulation library with a new X-Cinematic color profile, aimed at filmmakers and content creators looking for a more vibrant yet natural palette. Expect punchier skin tones, elegant highlight roll-off, and contrast optimized for cinematic editing workflows. Smarter autofocus with AI subject recognition, only of the biggest shifts in the X-T6 is its AI-powered autofocus system. It can now intelligently detect and track a variety of subject size, faces, birds, animals. The EHICLES across a broader phase detection matrix. Coverage across the frame is roughly 30% wider, ensuring faster acquisition and stickier tracking, even when your subject isn't centered. Burst shooting performance has also seen a leap forward, now climbing beyond 13 FPS in electronic shutter mode, ideal for sports photographers, street shooters, or those capturing spontaneous action. Cinema-grade video features and a compact body video creators. This one's for you. The X-T6 is expected to offer native 4K at 120 frames per second, internal RAW video, and even Apple ProRes recording. These upgrades make it a true hybrid powerhouse, appealing to everyone from YouTubers and travel filmmakers to event documentarians. The addition of HEVC and higher bitrate options helps preserve fine detail while making post-processing more flexible. A new thermal management system means you'll get longer continuous recording times, solving a major limitation seen in previous Fujifilm models. Display and Viewfinder. Next-level framing tools. X-T6 features a 5.76 million old electronic viewfinder with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, offering crystal clear visuals while tracking fast-moving subjects or composing video. The rear screen has also received a big usability upgrade, a fully articulating LCD, perfect for vloggers, top-down shooting, and creative compositions. Rugged hinges make it both practical and durable, even in tough environments. Embody stabilization and battery efficiency. The new generation of Embody stabilization delivers up to 7 stops of shake compensation, making handheld shooting significantly smoother, particularly for those using prime lenses without OIS. Combined with improved rolling shutter control, it supports crisp imagery during dynamic or run-and-gun shooting scenarios, while the camera still runs on Fujifilm's NPW235 battery. Software optimization allows for up to 30% more photos and longer video sessions per charge, adding serious value for professionals and travelers. Connectivity that fits modern workflows for creators working in fast-paced environments. Connectivity is critical, and the X-T6 doesn't disappoint. It includes USB-C 3.2 support, enabling rapid charging and file transfers. Even better, it functions natively as a high-quality webcam without requiring third-party software. This is perfect for streamers or remote professionals. Dual UHS to SD card slots now offer faster write speeds and seamless overflow backup recording. On top of that, wireless FTP cloud uploads are now streamlined with updated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, so pushing content directly from camera to platform is faster than ever. Launch timeline and pricing forecast. Fujifilm is expected to unveil the X-T6 during fall 2025, most likely at the next X Summit event in October, with shipments starting before the holiday season. The pricing is anticipated around $1,699, a strategic match to the X-T5's original price tag. Despite the significant technology upgrades, final verdict, is the Fujifilm X-T6 worth it? The Fujifilm X-T6 doesn't just refine its predecessor, it redefines what's possible in a compact APS-C camera. With major strides in speed, subject tracking, and high-end video production, it's an incredibly versatile tool that competes directly with Sony's a6700 and Canon's EOS R7. If you're a hybrid shooter looking for one camera to cover your photography and filmmaking needs, this might be the most complete Fujifilm X series camera ever built. Stay tuned here on Technology in the Future for the full reveal, hands-on impressions, and post-launch deep dives as soon as it hits the market.